Convoy Alpha, gates are open. Proceed to unloading Bay 1.
Roger that, moving in.
Watch the gate, keep moving forward. Clear the path to the corridor.
Checkpoint to processing, the Grey Bull's herd is approaching Gate 3. Clear the receiving bay. Keep them moving into Lane 3.
Gates secured. We are ready for activation.
Initiating wash cycle now. Increasing the brush speed to 75%. The coat looks clean. Adjust the pressure for the final rinse.
Easy now, just a little further to Station 1. All right, we are ready for the scan. Keep them steady.
All parameters are within the healthy range.
Logging the cardiac rhythm now.
Ensure the sensor array is sterilized for the next subject. Joints appear healthy, full range of motion, no tenderness on the left shoulder.
Confirmed. Body condition score remains at a strong 7.
The gait pattern looks stable.
Yes, the articulation data confirms it's within the healthy range.
Agreed, let's clear him for the next phase.
Examination complete. All records cleared. You may open the gate.
The gates are clear on Lane 4. Initiating the automated feed sequence now. Easy now, keep moving.
Control, this is Lane 4. Fodder levels are optimal. Proceeding to Section B. Gates clear, sending them through. Water levels stabilizing at sensor 5.
Move along now, gently, gently.
All clear on level 3.
Close the gates behind the last one.
This batch looks good. Approved for processing.
Yes, sir. Logging the details now.
Did you check for uneven thickness on this side?
Yes, the caliper readings match the spec. All right, roll it up for deep cleaning.
The flexibility is exactly where it needs to be. It matches the reference sample.
Okay, conditioning stage complete. Moving it to softening.
The flexibility is excellent on these center cuts.
Yes, they meet the quality standard. Prepare for cutting.
Ensure these premium sections are marked for the jackets only.
Already done, Supervisor. The smaller pieces are ready for the bra components.
Move the collar piece up slightly to avoid that imperfection. Got it, Supervisor. Looks aligned now. Excellent. The layout is approved. Prepare for cutting.
These look excellent. Go ahead and transfer the approved panels to assembly.
Yes, Supervisor. We'll send them over now.
The shoulder alignment is perfect on the main body. It matches the approved sample exactly. Excellent, Supervisor. We'll prep the sleeves now.
The length and position look precise. Excellent work on the reinforcement.
Thank you. We made sure the seams were even.
The alignment looks perfect on this one.
Yes, the spacing is consistent all the way down. We reinforce the stress points as requested.
The finish looks perfect. It matches the reference sample exactly.
We ensured the seams and edges were fully covered.
All dimensions checked. The stitching is perfect. Approved for final packing.
The layout is approved. Ensure the cup components are cut precisely. The center connection looks good. It matches the template perfectly. The seams look perfectly aligned here.
Symmetrical against the template.
Noted. Recording the final approval now.
Is the leather smooth enough?
Yes, Supervisor. It passes the quality check.
The layout looks perfect. We are ready for cutting.
Are the dimensions exact on this panel?
Yes, Supervisor, they match the blueprint perfectly.
The stitching alignment looks perfect on these gray pieces.
We will transfer them immediately, Supervisor.
Check the alignment on this corner here. Yes, Supervisor. It matches the sample perfectly now.
This seam is flawless. Did you reinforce the connection point as instructed? Yes, it's secured. This one is perfect. Send it to finishing. Zipper movement is smooth, attachments are secure.
Dimensions checkout. Approved for release.
Seams are clean here.
Very good. Everything looks consistent with the sample.
Inspection complete on the gray batch. All specifications met.
Excellent. Approved for release.
Final inspection complete. All items verified and approved for protective packaging. We have the gray leather collection ready for shipment. Confirmed. All quantities match the dispatch schedule.